Gerald Lucas here with another installment of Ask Gerald, where you get your real estate questions answered. Today's question comes from Zach, and Zach writes from Pompton Lakes, New Jersey. And Zach writes, do you think it's better to buy a condo or a home? Well, Zach, there are advantages and disadvantages to owning both condominium and a single family home. And there's also a huge variety among condominiums and single family homes as well. Condos generally tend to be more affordable and have lower maintenance costs. And condos often also include amenities like, pools or gyms or common areas that may be a lot more expensive to put into a home. On the downside, condos tend to be smaller and have less privacy. Normally, when you own a condo, you're only responsible for maintaining your individual unit, and the condo association typically is responsible for maintaining common areas. And that could be a blessing or a curse, depending on how well the condo association is run and how well it is funded. If you don't pay your monthly condominium dues, you can be hit with a special assessment, and that kind of shows that when you buy a condominium, you are in partnership with all the other owners, whether you know it or like it or not, because it costs a certain amount of money to maintain a condominium complex, and if some owners aren't paying, then the other owners have to pay more. Condos almost always have monthly condo dues, but single family homes in some developments owners are often required to pay HOA or homeowners association dues as well. And lastly, homes generally tend to appreciate more than condos, especially when they're on bigger lots. However, homes also tend to have higher property taxes and insurance costs as well. So thanks for your question, Zach. For more real estate tips and information, visit my blog at geraldlucas.com. I'm Gerald Lucas, and I'll see you again soon.